Hello and welcome to this month's video blog. Today I'm going to discuss when you would use our factory finished job ready heating cable sets and when you may use cut to length heating cable where they would be field spliced on site. The job ready systems are certainly going to offer a more simplified installation option. And this would be something catered more towards a homeowner who may want to do their installation themselves. The cut to length offering is more of a professional solution, and something like this will require a professional trade, such as an electrician, to finalize the actual hookups. So one of the advantages to the job-ready systems is the fact that it comes completely tailored. This system in particular has an inline ground fault, a 120 volt plug, and the termination already installed. Our termination technology is unique in the sense that we offer a direct burial certified heating cable. So when someone may require to install this heating cable on the outside of a pipe and they may want to bury the end of the heating cable in the ground, this job-ready solution is the best option with that type of application. With the cut to length, one of the advantages to the cut to length solution is its versatility. It can be purchased in a spool, and it can be tailored on site. So you can adjust the length that's required on site. Where something like this, we're gonna need to know the length of the system in order for us to have it furnished according to that length. So a little bit more installation flexibility with the cut to length. With the cut to length heating cable as well, we may be able to offer longer length solutions, more specifically in the roof and gutter type of applications. Cut to length also allows us go into hazardous location applications. Now, something that we would not normally see in a residential setting. So the cut to length is going to be more of a commercial as well as an industrial application, but also used residentially. So there are additional certifications with the cut to length heating cable that may not be available with our factory finished systems. Any of the options, whether job ready, factory finished, or the cut to length, we can manufacture a job ready system 120 or 240 volt. The cut to length heating cable is also available 120 and 240 volt. With the job ready systems featuring a plug, these are intended for 15 amp circuits. Now this is 120 volts, so this is a 15 amp 120 volt plug. So this would be designed for a 15 amp 120 circuit. We also offer a 15 amp 240 volt plug arrangement for a 15 amp 240 volt circuit. Now, plug options are not available for 20 amp circuit sizes. And when we're looking at 20 amp circuits, we do still offer a job ready system, but it will not feature the plug or the ground fault, but instead just the cold lead extension that would allow the system to be hardwired into a junction box. The cut to length heating cable, being a furnished system, it would normally go into a junction box, but we can offer this product from 15 amps up to 30 amp circuit sizes, 15, 20, and 30. So again, kind of giving you a broader versatility as to where and how this product can be used. We hope you found this video blog helpful. We will continue to release a new blog monthly. Be sure to stay up to date by signing up for our newsletter, and be sure to check out our social media pages and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.